Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search at the bottom. Click at the search line at the top and write XIAOMI. Now search. And you should install this application, what's called XIAOMI Earbuds. Now open it. Click Read and Agree. Also you can click at the second, but I don't want it, so we need to only the first one. Then Agree. Right here, select your region. By just pressing it, you can use a search to find your region or just scroll down. After that, click Next. Skip. Right here, click Allow. It's really important to add these earbuds to the application. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!